Well, guys, hope everybody's doing good. This is QA/QC issues today. So, first off, I like these Clorox toilet wands. They were awesome. And then, Melissa got these before COVID. We get them at Sam's. I think Costco has them. You can probably get them at Wally World. All sorts of places. The QA/QC quality, look at this crap. I mean, they used to be sticky. You could grind on them, beat on them, everything. They freaking suck. So QA/QC, the people aren't doing really good. So this is Clorox. I don't know if there's aftermarket stuff, but the very first couple batches we had, these things were awesome. You don't touch nothing. You can clean the wand. They give you, every time you buy refills, you get new wands. But I just wanted to show you this because I'm doing cleaning stuff today, and I was like, oh, no, perfect time. So we've had a whole bunch of horrible QA/QCs this last week, which, you know, it's just the way it is. But yeah, I even got ammo that was bad, and Todd the Gun Guy, he talked about that before, and we've all been seeing that stuff too. But let's go keep after it. So unfortunately, great idea. They were great when I think they first came out, and the quality control sucks. I'm always worried about I'll be sticking my hand in the toilet to fish them out, but it hasn't happened yet, but it's only a matter of time. Check this out, Motts. This was a big fruit snack pack from the kids. This is a funny one too. The boss got one of them. It was like bulging, so I was like, oh man, this box would be great. Horrible QA/QC. She wanted to show me this. It did not open. I'm going to eat this in the process. Come on out. Come on, drop on. One freaking fruit snack. It's not a joke. We didn't pre-set this up for this. Come on, guys. Really horrible QA/QC. This is a joke. I mean, these are big brands here. It was a good
thing. The prices have gone up.
Yeah. Thanks to Let's Go Biden, you know, our fearless leaders and all our inflation, we're almost paying like, you know, 20% more for items, but the products and quality suck. And then this, Reynolds, good company, Lisa aluminum foil. She went to go do this, and granted, this is stuff we had, so I think I try to get these every time I'm at the store, you know, maybe once a month, because she cooks the heck out of stuff, so.
No, those aren't that often.
Oh, these aren't that often, all right, but she does cook a lot, so 24 liners get you almost a month's worth of food if you cook it in the crock pot. But, so maybe every 2 months, you know, I get them just to have them on the shelf, so she's got a couple. So I'm not sure which batch this is. I'm sure there's a way for us to QA, look at the serial number and find out. But yeah, she opened one up yesterday and it ripped down the middle as she was putting it in the crock pot. And, or this morning, I mean, because we got some beautiful chicken in there. And just poor quality control. I mean, it's like, really, guys? Inflation, we're paying more for everything, and they stick it to us by garbage. Freaking sad, you know. But hope everybody's not going crazy with Christmas stuff right now. Hopefully you're all done and on the downward slide, just enjoying it. And yeah, let's go over here real quick. QA/QC, but in the long run, nothing like slow roasted chicken in the crock pot. Cat food, feed our animals with leftovers, and yeah. Thanks guys for watching. Stay warm out there, and have a great day. Start some mess here, but just a little check your stuff. QA/QC here. He's going out getting some pheasants today, and yeah, I was like, man, what the heck is that sound? So check what you're getting, because all the mass stuff being produced, supply and demand, yeah, bunch of junk. So yeah, this is Winchester. Let's see if I can find the batch on this crap. Then I can find it on the AR rounds and stuff like that. But oh man, that's my fucking shotgun shells. What's the serial number? This is the crew bought this, I don't know, from Walmart within the last 3 months, because we were all excited that they're like, oh, they got rounds. I didn't realize this was only a 25 pack, but I'll take everything we get. But just
Well, note to self. Check your stuff before you put them in our tools. Here, but look. That's crazy. I dropped one on the deck too, but I'm trying to show it. But yeah, it's just a squid now. Squib. It's funny. An open box right now. Oh, look, here you go. Lot number 45. 1SD 13. So this was literally a couple months ago, but it's saying 13, so I don't know. But yeah, just make sure you check it before you go out and do some sending. Thanks, guys.